How you going, Alan?
Good.
You just had a patio done by Smartkits?
I did.
How'd you go with that?
Oh, I'm so wrapped with it, I really am.
Yeah, looks good?
Oh yeah, those guys did a fantastic job.
That's good to hear. Did you get any other quotes from any other companies?
I did.
Yeah. Some of the leading, the larger names in the industry?
The first one that comes to mind was Alcan.
Yeah.
And I've got to tell you that it was quite an eye-opening presentation that they put forward.
Yeah.
It came across to me as a bit of a con, actually.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
And that's only because I have previous experience in sales and marketing, and yeah, he just did it all wrong.
Yeah, right. No worries. So you got a couple of other quotes from some smaller local companies as well?
Yes, mainly on the Gold Coast.
Yep. Yep. And so what, 3, 4 quotes?
Actually, no, it was a bit more than that.
A bit more than that?
Yeah, I just did it over the internet and just sent emails out and had contact by quite a number of them.
Yep.
I gave them specific information by the email so that they would be able to quote without physically visiting the site.
Yep.
Yeah, the prices were quite amazing as well.
Were they all over the shop?
They were.
They were all over the shop, yeah.
So Altec, for example, was nearly 200% more than what this one cost.
Wow.
Yeah.
200% more.
200% more.
And were they using Australian-made material?
Well, we never got down to the specifics. He sort of did a presentation, which is a bit odd, really, when you think about it. He said that we use everybody's materials.
Right.
You know, he said there's something like about 40 different materials, if that's possible. I'm not sure.
Yep. So they said they use about 40 different products?
Yes. And so when he gave me the price, he said, oh, look, I'll just shoot out to the car and get you some samples. And I said, look, don't worry about it. I said, you're so far off the beaten track with the price.
Yeah.
But not only that, it wasn't so much the price, it was also the derogatory way that he was speaking about competitors.
Yeah.
And that's something you don't do in sales. You sell the benefits of your product.
Sure.
And not, bag your competitors.
Yeah.
He didn't know who I got quotes from, and he didn't know the materials that I had been looking at.
Right.
So what he was saying, in effect, that it didn't really matter. It could have been Australian-made product. He was bagging that,
Yeah.
So, we didn't want to do business with them.
Overall, you ended up choosing Smartkits to do the supply and the installation of the project. What was the time frame from when you confirmed the order to completion handover?
I think it was about just over 3 weeks.
It's pretty fast.
Yeah, I was almost not ready for it. And
when the boys came in to build the job, how did they go?
Extremely professional. One day there was 3 of them here to do it. One day there was just the boss, and he did most of the technical stuff, setting up.
Yeah. And
then he brought his apprentice in. Very, very polite and obliging. Very friendly.
Yeah.
I couldn't speak highly of.
Did Smartkits keep you informed with what was going on over the course of the project with regards to ordering, material deliveries, and installation?
The office girl, Katrina. Was it Katrina?
Yeah, Katrina.
Katrina, kept me informed a few days before deliveries were happening, progress payments, final payments.
Yep.
The boys on site cleaned up afterwards, did an amazing job, kept everything neat and tidy, I can't speak highly enough of them.
So compared to your Altec quote, what did you save? Over $10,000?
Actually, it was 15. Yeah, 15,000.
So same size roof.
Yep.
3-week turnaround, saved $15,000.
Yep.
That's a pretty good deal.
We were happy.
Would you recommend Smartkits?
Yep,
100%. Thanks very much for your time, Alan.
no problems.
Appreciate it.